Ventura Hydraulic and Machine Works began business in 1965. Since that time, we have been continually improving our products and services, increasing our capabilities, and expanding into more industries. Our primary focus is on delivering innovative solutions to meet our customers' needs. We are a modern engineering, design, and manufacturing company, specializing in custom-designed offshore and land-based hydraulic products, hydraulic controls, and hydraulically driven mechanical systems. Fred Malzacher began our company manufacturing custom components for other companies, then conducted repairs and refurbishment of their existing hydraulic equipment. His activities soon expanded into designing and manufacturing specialized equipment to provide solutions for challenging project requirements. We have received over 5 U.S. patents. For years, we have focused on designing and building the highest quality hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders. This product line includes long stroke and large bore cylinders, many designed for unique and demanding applications, including subsea and other submerged applications. These proven cylinder designs are at the heart of many of the mechanical systems we produce for the agricultural, oil and gas, public works, water treatment, mining, military, transportation, nuclear, maritime, and entertainment industries. Using modern engineering tools, combined with over 60 years' experience in engineering, design, and manufacturing, we develop and deliver design solutions tailored to each project need. Today, our products include single and multi-stage cylinders, a variety of claw-type skidding systems, some with tandem claws, some using pin-type connections, and some with removable side plates. We also provide clamp-type skidding cylinders, linear motion lift and roll systems, rotational motion lift and roll systems, chain jacking systems, hydraulic power units, cable spoolers, BOP handling systems, pumping systems for land-based and subsea applications, and controls ranging from a simple manual system to a sophisticated PLC-based system capable of synchronizing multiple cylinder assemblies. We have had great success with our cable spooling systems. We can rebuild existing units or completely design, manufacture, build, and test custom units according to the customer's requirements. Our products are designed and manufactured to common industry standards, including those from ABS and D&V. As a Sun distributor, we design and manufacture custom manifold and valve assemblies. These custom assemblies provide a compact solution with fewer link paths and reduced maintenance. Much of the equipment we have delivered has to endure the harsh marine environment. One feature that differentiates us from other competitors is the durability of our products. Our chain jack system was in operation in a turret-moored FPSO off the coast of Australia for over 10 years until the vessel was decommissioned. We have cylinders and skidding systems which have been in operation for approximately 30 years without requiring repairs. Our multi-stage mast raising and lifting cylinders have always performed without fail. Most of our products include a 5-year warranty. You can include our products in your critical projects with confidence that they will perform for many years to come. The team at Ventura Hydraulic and Machine Works communicates closely with each customer to deliver turnkey mechanical handling systems, which will meet all project interface, performance, and schedule requirements. Learn more by visiting our website and contact us to see how we can help achieve your project goals.